Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two AI travel planner, which is TripAdvisor AI and GuideGeek. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about TripAdvisor AI built on a huge review database to create personalized itineraries with restaurants pick, hotel options, and local attraction. It's great for structured planning and integrates perfectly with the TripAdvisor platform. However, it's still rolling out globally and can feel a bit rigid for travelers who prefer spontaneity. GuideGeek, on the other hand, offer a free chat-based travel assistance that work on WhatsApp and Instagram. It's very fast, fun, and ideal for quick travels, advice, or recommendation on the go, but it lacks details, itineraries, and booking integrations. So in my opinion, TripAdvisor AI wins for full trip planning, while GuideGeek shines for easy and conversational travel help. And that's it. I'll find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.